BingX hack for $43 million. Singapore crypto exchange BingX was hacked this morning. Company representatives have confirmed the incident and are taking action. In total, the hacker withdrew various assets worth $43 million through multiple transactions. The exchange promises to cover everything and restore withdrawal access within 24 hours. Singapore-based cryptocurrency exchange BingX's estimated loss from a suspected hack on September 20 has surpassed $52 million, double the earlier reported $26 million. In earlier reports, blockchain security firm PeckShield identified one Ethereum wallet linked to the attack, which received $26.7 million in assets from BingX. The total loss climbed after further investigations revealed substantial damages across multiple blockchain networks. As more wallets are identified, the total loss grows. Initial estimates, like $13 million, were likely incomplete, but updates from forensics firms, now reporting figures like $43 million, show a clearer picture. Hakan Unal, senior security operations lead at Cyvers Alerts, told Cointelegraph. Our threat intelligence system has summed the total loss across all chains, leading to a more comprehensive estimate of $52 million, Unal said. The loss estimate from Cyvers is at the higher end among security experts. BingX provided Cointelegraph with a lower estimate of $45 million stolen across 3 funding lines. BingX downplayed the incident, describing the cyber attack as causing only minor losses. All user losses from this hack will be fully covered by BingX's own capital, Vivian Lin, product chief at BingX, said in a statement to Cointelegraph. Lin added that security firms had assisted in freezing approximately $1 million of the stolen funds at the time of writing. BingX is still calculating its total losses. BingX hacked for $43 million. On Friday, blockchain security firm PeckShield flagged a suspicious $13.6 million fund outflow from BingX. The firm confirmed 4 hours later that the exchange had been hacked for $26.68 million in assorted cryptos, which LookChain reported included over 360 altcoins. While LookChain cited nearly the same loss as PeckShield, estimating it at over $26 million, the latter revised its estimate to over $43 million an hour later. Another $16.5 million worth of cryptos has been drained from #BingX, PeckShield wrote on X. We estimate the total loss to be over $43 million. Amid the development, BingX's Vivian Lin appeared to confirm the security breach and announced the temporary suspension of withdrawals to mitigate further risks while the exchange inspected and strengthened its wallet services. Noting that withdrawals would be restored within a day, at the latest, Lin assured users that the exchange would compensate for the total loss, which she termed minimal and manageable. While the loss is still under calculation, we confirm BingX will fully compensate for the loss with our own capital, Lin wrote on X. Users' assets are safe and well protected under our layered asset management architecture. BingX has yet to confirm the hack's impact and total loss. Surge in hacks targeting Asian crypto exchanges. BingX's breach comes amid a surge in cyber attacks targeting centralized cryptocurrency exchanges in Asia. Indonesian exchange Indodax suffered a $20.58 million hack on September 10. Indian exchange WazirX was also targeted in a major breach, losing $234.9 million on July 18. Japan's DMM Bitcoin experienced the largest attack of 2024 so far, with hackers stealing $305 million in assets on May 31. Security experts have blamed North Korea's state-backed Lazarus Group for the attacks on Indodax, WazirX and DMM. Conclusion. Despite the inherently high security of blockchain technology, attacks on cryptocurrency exchanges and cryptocurrency wallets happen more often. This is because the functioning of the blockchain with the outside world requires infrastructure, which contains vulnerabilities that are actively sought by attackers, as the reward is high. In addition, attacks are becoming cheaper and more effective thanks to AI and the creation of advanced bots that utilize it. All of this reminds us that any technology requires constant updates from developers, especially in the area of security, and attention from users because social engineering and trivial fraud are still a frequent way of hacking.
Friends, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.